Now I'm going to show you how to use native instruments expansions to quickly find the sounds you want within them. Let's get into it. I like to think of expansions like I do an artist palette. For example, when you're working on a project in a particular genre and you need to add a complementary sound, this is where what I'm going to show you will come in handy. Let's say, for example, I'm working on a lo-fi beat. I think Crate Cuts expansion is a great example of that lo-fi vibe. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the library tab and make sure I select the groups selector type. Then in the search field below, I'll type in Crate Cuts. Maschine will populate results belonging to Crate Cuts based on which selector type I've selected. So these are all the drum kits within Crate Cuts. These are the loops, and these are the one-shot sounds. You can use these drop-down arrows for types to really filter what you're looking for, and then also for characteristics here. So what I just done was a global search. If I go into Crate Cuts expansion, I can get access to the projects, the drum kits, the sounds within Crate Cuts, the instruments, sound effects, loops, and one-shots. So now that I'm in Crate Cuts and I'm looking for a sound that will complement my lo-fi type beat, I can then type in the search box, locate the sound I'm after. For this example, I'm going to type in bass. It will populate that search result for basses in this expansion only. I have found that when you type in bass in one selector type, if you go to the next selector type, you have to type it in again, or just delete one character and then it will repopulate again. If I want to start with the entire kit from within Crate Cuts, I'll select the group selector type. There I can load whole kits onto 16 pads. By doing this, I can just double click and it will populate onto the 16 pads here. You can also use these expansions in a DAW. I'm going to show an example in Ableton Live. I will look for Crate Cuts and click through Sample Loops Construction. In here, you'll see all the group kits from within Crate Cuts. Click one and you can choose from combo, drums, full, percussion, and instruments relating to whatever kit you choose. Now back in Maschine, once you've found a sample you like, you can favorite it for quick reference in the future. Using a mouse, hover over the sound and you'll see a star appear on the right. Click that to favorite it. On the Maschine Studio controller, you can turn the jog wheel and highlight the sample. Press and hold Shift and then press Set. Doing this will favorite any sound that you desire. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.